favorites. I'm going to show you what's inside my fridge. It's quite tall. I'm not sure what's the height of this one, but it's a very slim fridge. And I've been using this one for more than 6 years now. And let's start digging my fridge. There we go. There you go. So behind the door I have my milk. This is a full cream milk. It's our favorite one. And this one, the cashew, I normally use this one more than this one, so I think it's more healthier. And we have this wine from Japan. Oh no, it's actually Korean plum liquor. There you go. There's some plum in there. And I have this Korean milky drinks that I got from the Korean shop. And here I have the Tabasco Ciabatta. It's a Thailand sauce and some landas. Peri peri sauce. This is just a lemon herb. There you go. And this is just some sauces from the pizza that we get from Domino's. And I have this cheese from Norway. And that's just an olive oil salad dressing. On top I have that I have those eggs and another egg here. This one is just a deodorizer. Let's start in here. It has these two compartments for fresh vegetables. So I normally have some okra, or if you know it, it's a ladyfinger. There you go, and some cherry tomatoes in there. And I have some onions, some red bell pepper, and some ginger. Sayote. I have this, I don't know how you call this one in English, but I think in Chinese, I think they call it like, I don't know actually. I forget the name. Yeah, Buddha, something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. I have this, how do you call this one? Repolyo ba to? Cabbage. And some salad. Some fresh salad. And here I just have this pet chai in Philippines, or yeah, I can't remember the English word of that. Here is some fruits. I have kiwi, some apple, some avocado. I love avocado. And then some oranges and lemons. At the back I have this rice cake, or it's a Korean food. I forget. I think you can use this one as tteokbokki if you want to make one. So I have those one there. I have this tamarind sauce. It's really important in Asian cooking. And then I have some hoisin sauce, some ube. It's a purple yam, or how do you call this one? It's a flavoring, liquid flavoring. And I have this one. It's like a jam from, it's a Swedish one, so it's really nice for vanilla ice cream on top of your vanilla ice cream. And another one is this one from Macau. It's a chili paste. Focus, it's not focusing here. It's a chili paste with dried scallop and chili paste. So that's really a nice one. Every 2 weeks. And I have this one. It's just a Pizza Express bread dough balls. There you go, with some dippings in. And I have this one, soybean curd. I really need to do this one soon because I bought it few weeks ago, but it's still on date, so that's fine. But I'm just so excited to use it and to eat it. And I have this one, silken tofu. It's a dessert. I really love this. I normally get it in Chinese shop. And I have this one, achara. It's a papaya soured papaya. My mom made this one in Philippines, and when I went back a few months ago, she made me a lot of this one. So I have the last piece now, and I have this one, some I'm losing my words. This is just a pickled vegetables. So at the back I have some yogurt. It's a Greek yogurt. I really love it. And this goat's yogurt. So I love those ones. The other side is my daughter's yogurt. She is 2.5 years old, so she loves this one. There is a variety of fruit flavors in there, so I just get her 2. And in here I only have some blueberries and some more fruits here that it needs to be eaten. At the back I have some chicken soup from my mother-in-law. So she always makes some soup for my daughter, and some leftover rice and chicken. So we are going to the next level. I've got this jam, some creme fraiche. It's like a sour cream. And I have this one. It's a clotted cream. It's good for the for putting on scones. And I have this Korean sauce. So it's a Korean soybean paste. And the other one is gochujang. It's a Korean pepper paste. Things that I don't normally use a lot, I put it at the back. There you go. And the other side, I have some double cream, some pate, and this one, it's a plum. Don't you notice I really like plum? Sour plum. It's really good for the rice. Next one is this dessert, catalan cream from Spain. I think it's a Spain dessert. Another one which I'm excited for you to look at. So I'm just going to bring it out. I made some suman, or in English it's the glutinous rice. There you go. Oh, I really love it. So I made some. I'm going to do my vlog next time of how I make this suman. So on top of that, I have some white wine, some bulldog Japanese sauce, I have this squirty cream for drinks, and I have some oyster sauce. I have this Japanese mayonnaise. Yeah, this is my staple thing for my food. I really love it. And let's go on top, which I have so many cheeses. So I'm going to bring out one layer. So first one is I have this onion chutney. Yep. Next one, I have this sun-dried tomatoes for pasta. I have this bagoong, or shrimp paste from Philippines. And I have some chorizo from Spain. Some butter. Another butter. This is the only butter that I love. It's from... it's a UK. It's a UK one. Local one. UK one. Oh, the coffee powder. Just to neutralize the odor of the fridge. Last one is... I have these cheeses. I have this Manchego cheese from Spain. It's popular cheese from Spain. It's really good. I have this halloumi cheese. I'm not sure if it's focusing. Yeah. There you go. And I have some cream cheese. I have another Philadelphia cheese. There you go. And I still have loads of cheese here. I have some Lier de Meer cheese. I really like it. Another Dairy cheese. It's for burgers. Cheese slices. I have some Parmigiano Reggiano. And of course, I have some Eden cheese. It's good for spaghetti. It's the best. Last layer. Yay, and we're finished. I have some sweet beans for dessert from Japan. There you go. And green tea sauce for it. There you go. Green tea sauce. And mochi. There you go. Something for forehead if your child has fever. I usually use this one. And some beauty products. Like I kept it in the fridge, so it's gonna make my skin a little bit more nicer and cold. So I have this from Dr. Morita. It's with Ceramide Repair Essence Eye Mask. So I only have 3 pieces now. And next one is Whitening Firming Mask. This is really good. I'm going to quickly show you what's in front of my freezer. There you go. Here I have a lot of ice cream lollies. And here, this is the one that I got from Philippines last time I went. It's the Dice Mongo. Yay! Hopya. It's really yummy. So I kept it in the freezer so I can have some snacks for longer. And I have this. This is my favorite ice cream too. It's a dairy-free one, Buja Buja. It's really the best. And some Haagen-Dazs again. It's a praline and cream. One is this one. It's just some ice cream, Haagen-Dazs, and some vanilla ice cream. And I have this ciabatta and some more breads inside. I'm not gonna show you anymore. And this one is for some snacks. I've got this pizza from Pizza Express. It's a classic one. Floppy doisa. Some chips and some fish fingers. There you go. I forgot to show you. I have some banana leaves. There you go. So good ones. And last one. These are just some pork and some more chicken. So the organization is I normally put all the dessert on top because the fluid from the pork or any freezer and freezing poultry are not going to drain into my food, fresh food. So they are at the bottom. And there you go. Thank you for watching what's inside my fridge. I'm just going to preheat the oven. Cheese. And I'm gonna bring out this manchego. This butter. Then I'm going to slice my butter. Very thinly. I love the creaminess of this butter. And I can only buy this one in one particular shop where I live. There you go. Then some cheese. Slice it very thinly as well. And then I'm going to put it on top now, the cheeses. So I'm just going to spread them all together. Evenly. There you go. And then the other manchego. And then I have this one. It's formaggio basilico. It's an olive oil with cheese and basil flavor. So I'm just going to spray it on top. Of my bread.
Okay.
So I'm just going to transfer my bread into this thing for the oven. So we are ready to put it in the oven now. So we're just slicing some ham to put it in our sandwich. Have the bread now. And we have these few pieces of ham, so we just have to lay it here. There you go. And then I'm going to spray a bit of this one again onto the ham. Going to cut it in half. Let's go. It looks so good. There you go. I'm ready to eat my food now. So just gonna get one piece. That is so good. There you go. That's all done today. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you next time.